travel 5 to 7 days to a tropical country? Let's follow these tips for simple traveling packing from Nokha Team. Prepare 1 sling bag and 1 backpack. Main documents: passport or personal identity, toiletries, handphone charger, power bank, sunscreen, cash, handphone, shorts, trousers, light jacket, three to 4 cotton tops, sandals, drinking bottles, underwear, personal medicine, other documents, tickets, driver's license, etc. Note: make copies of all documents in soft copy. Save cash in some hidden places. Save liquid toiletries in travel size bottles. For girls, check menstrual periods before traveling. Wear comfortable sneakers. Find sneakers comfortable for traveling at www.nokha.co.